Three, exactly. Because of what he does. So what do you do to get money? I told you I'm talking. I am headmaster. Yes, that pays me salary. But when I talk, I get more. We have seen that you have been getting money since age zero. You've been getting money. You have held money longer than you have worked. You have held money longer than you have. By the way, and when we get to some place, I need you to understand that you are considered in the economic world when you clock age 16. It is what you are bringing on table. So what is it that you are going to bring on table? Later on, we are going to give you a chance to express yourself. Someone, we are giving out. It is because of your value. I'm getting there. Poverty has money and swag. Value is personal. Stop complaining about your background. And I'm going to connect this to money. You're going to ask, this man was told to talk about money. I haven't had the money thing. I am coming to the money. Don't worry. It is not contributed. What's your economic value to Uganda? When we are going through the taxes, how much taxes have you contributed? Because of this. That's what is important. Whether from Warblers, whether from St. Mary's, whether from people who recognize you, people will stop the meeting to let you sit. It doesn't understand whether you were in Toronto, whether you were in Warblers, where you bring. Good morning. Good morning. We are going to go. Education. You cannot start when you have something, then you become the financial discipline. You were ninja, not job, not a very popular man who was walking. That man went to Nyem. But guess what? Educated, the most paid, but you are still the broke one. What is assigning you a place is your financial discipline. So what is your financial? You will get financial discipline after money owing. Yeah. You are living in the future. Your future incomes are enough to take care of your personal expenses today. You are living a this one. It sort of feels like you are living a life, but you are living a paycheck to paycheck. You are actually not living paycheck to paycheck. You have a bad relationship with money. Money comes in and money goes out. You will get your salary and you will be a millionaire for just that day. And the following day, you are looking for money. Working poor people are educated. Poverty.
We give different aspects of life. And students get to learn what actually happens in the real world, how they need to prepare for it. And we think it's one of the best things we do in terms of our giving back to the community. Because these are people of the next year they're going to be our employees, they're going to be our staff. If we prepare them early enough, it helps us fund the process.
We heard you talk about smart life to students.
Yes.
Please take us through. Is it something students can take on, and is it a strategy to also involve university students to save in smart life?
Actually, Smart Life is a voluntary savings program. We call it smart because it eliminated the need to think I need to save a lot of money. The minimum amount is 5,000 shillings. You can save that every week, every month, whatever it is when you get, or even once a year. But the point is, if you can get into the discipline of saving and you begin to see your money grow, then you realize that actually I can forego something small now for a better, bigger goal. The most interesting thing is we rolled it out about 4 months ago, and we're just piloting different places. As of I think yesterday, we got over 15,000 members saved on a voluntary basis that were even saving for their children. So he opens a smart account and then opens a sub-account for his children. And together they've saved about 7.2 billion shillings in 4 months' time. So it's big. And it's not how much you make. That 1,000 you put aside, 2,000, 5,000, makes a difference over 10 years.
Is this a strategy to university students? Because you are talking about it with them.
About you want to build an asset, you want to build your brand, you want to be known for something. And mid-time management is something within our hands. Because every day it gives you an opportunity to keep time. Every day you have an opportunity to keep your word. And if you begin to do that, and you earn and build what you call trust, and people trust you, That's an asset. That's a big asset. Even when you say no, people will know, yeah, said no, it's okay. It's an asset to you. What happens is, we don't build that asset. So nobody can trust us and we lose opportunities, which we shouldn't have. And it is something that's within our hands. You can do it when you're year one, you say whatever it is. Just learning. Keep time, keep your word. The rest will come together. Because in those two, if I say I'm going to be here or I will do this, you keep your word and you do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talk really was introducing the Absolute to Work program to the students, and also because I'm passionate about finances, also talked about finances, a few lessons on saving and journeying towards financial independence, things like starting to saving early, things like living within your means, things like seeking advice before you borrow, things like saving not just for big events but saving for eventualities and flexibility. That's really what I was talking about.
Just like asking Ayota, do you think our tertiary institutions are putting enough emphasis on career guidance to shape the future job market?
Look, our career, our tertiary institutions are
nga sematendekero ya Uganda Christian University. Ekigendererwa kyaffe okuyamba abaana be baba batuwadde okusomesa okulaba nti bafuna ebyo bye beetaagisa mu bumanyirivu ne mu magezi okusobola okwaŋŋanga emirimu nga bamaze okukola. Kino kitegeeza basobola okukozesebwa oba bo kennyini okukozesa abantu. Ekyo nga university tumanyi tusobola okukituukako nga tukolaganira wamu n'amakolero oba n'amakampuni amalala. Nga kati olwaleero NSSF ne Absa Bank bazze okwogera eri abaana okumanya kweteekateeka ki bwe balina okukola, bumanyirivu ki bwe balina okukola, bukugu ki obwetaagisa okusobola okukola wabweru eyo, okozesa abantu oba nga bakukozesa. Ekyo kyekigendererwa.
Personally, what I've gone away with is the need to put yourself out there. Don't allow just to be a participant, but be a winner. Be someone who takes a leap forward. Be somebody who is confident, who can go out. You see somebody who inspires you, don't be afraid to reach out to them. Because a lot of these successful people are very genuine people who came from where you came from, who know the hurdles of being a young student here in Uganda and want to uplift you to reach where they are right now. So what I've taken away seriously from this is the fact that we have people here in NSSF and all these different organizations who want to uplift the young people of Uganda, and so we as a young people need to reach out to them as our elders, and we need to be there and ask them questions, get to learn from them so we get more wisdom and we can be where they are right now, such that our country can continue moving forward.
Yes, Lubanga Kenneth, and I'm the Inspector General of Government. Savings, yes, I understood so much about the savings. Personally, I've been doing saving myself. But how do I do the saving? The little that I do, I make my programs that at the end of the year, there's a gross pay that I know I have for myself from all the money that I get throughout the year. There's that money that's given to me by my parents, but then I end up saving some because I know I have a goal target. And that's what I've learned today, that even the little that you have, there should be a goal target that you should have. There should be a goal target that you know at the end of the year, you should look at your value. I learned the value of money today, what money can do and how far it can take you, no matter how small it is. So NSSF has inspired me today and looked at